Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you every day during the 2025 Christmas Spectacular at 4 p.m. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell notification so you know every time I go live. Today we have Fireball cookies. Real easy to do. First, we're going to make the combination of dry ingredients, which consists of 2 cups of flour and the 2 tablespoons of milk powder you see that I just added. All right, now we're going to add the rest of the dry ingredients, which are 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Then we're just going to grab a spoon until everything is mixed together. And then we're going to set the dry mix aside. All right, now let's move on to the wet ingredients. As you can see here, I have a half a cup of sugar in my mixing bowl. To that, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And then we're going to add a cup of melted butter. Yeah, I know that seems like a lot, but trust me, these things will come together. Then we're going to add our paddle attachment to our mixer, lock it in place, and then mix this for about a minute. All right, now we have stage 1 of the wet ingredients done. Now we're going to add 1 egg. And then we want to add 2 tablespoons of Fireball Whisky. And then finally 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That'll pretty much do it for the second round of wet ingredients. And then just lock it down and give this a mix till everything is nice and combined for at least a couple of minutes. Alrighty, now we got our liquid ingredients ready to go. It's time to combine, of course, the liquid with the dry. You can do this all at once, but I like to do it in about thirds. So that's about a third of the dry ingredients. Lock it down, mix it around. About 45 seconds, then add another third, 45 seconds, and finally the final third at about 45 seconds to a minute to make sure everything is all well and good. All right, let's get ready for the next step. Okay, now time to roll these into about 1-inch balls. And this will have the consistency of almost like wet sand, but don't worry about it, it'll be fine. Because you're going to want to bake this at 375 degrees for about 9 to 11 minutes, although you may need to adjust baking times depending on where you are in the country. All right. See you at the finished product. All right. And through the magic of cooking show editing, our cookies are done. So that's Fireball cookies. Done.